Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Pasquini espresso machine. It comes to us for tune-up. It was like 10 minutes to replace this like rope head gasket. Look how it comes, like it's really hard. It's really hard to take it out, and the shower screen was really dirty. And then I realized the vacuum release valve was leaks. So I do replace it. So let's go ahead and test the machine, make espresso shot on it. After the tune up, let's go ahead it gives really nice shot. I hear the sound. It's, I think, from the, because I use really fine coarse, really fine ground coffee, which is need to be calibrated with the machine. Let's test the steam one. Perfect. And the hot water. Works perfect too. So all the functions works perfect in this machine. Thank you for watching.